Okay, so your notes, what I'm going to do is give you notes for next week. So this is stuff that we're going to do starting on Tuesday and Wednesday. So you don't have school Monday. So Tuesday will be 246, Wednesday will be 135, Thursday's 246, and Friday's 135. So basically they're taking out like our normal Friday day and replacing it with the Monday that we missed. So the title of your notes: Finding Slope from 2 points. Okay? And it's going to be a flow map, which means a flow map means there's steps involved, okay? So it's really only 2 boxes, but I put a third one here just for fun. All right. So those are your boxes. Obviously, so you see the arrows, and this means that you're going to be going through step by step by step. Okay? Now, this will be first step. First, second, third. And then in this box, I'm going to... Remember those tables we were dealing with? All right, go ahead and draw that table. And inside it, we're going to label it. And now from there, 2, 4, 0, 3. Okay? And now I'm going to zoom in a little bit. And I'm going to put a note underneath here. Write out points like this. And label them. Write out points and label them. Okay? So what do I mean by that? That's how you write the points out. What do I mean by labeling them? Okay? And that is the whole first step. That is the whole first step, okay? Feel free to pause and get caught up, but I'm going to go ahead and go to the next part. When these points are here, I'm going to go ahead and write them again. 2, 4, 0, 3. All right? And it's easier to look at it like this. And this is the first part of our school year where we're actually going to be given a formula. And it's not a difficult one. Don't freak out. It's pretty easy. Use the slope formula. Well, Marusik, what is the slope formula? Okay. So the formula is y minus y over x minus x. And that'll be a way to find slope mathematically. If you couldn't look at a graph and all you were given was a table, you can still find slope, okay? Now the slope again is your rise and run or fall and run, okay? So you don't have to write this, but if you forgot what your slope is, if these are your 2 points, if you go up 1, 2, 3, over 1, over 2, over 3, over 4, up 3 over 4, your slope would be 3 over 4, okay? So just giving you an idea, remember what slope was. It can go up or it can go down, the slopes. Now, let's plug in the values of these into the formula here. Let's put this formula here and plug it in. First of all, I'm going to go ahead and put that there. And you know what else I'm going to put? 2 negatives, and this is going to be my equal sign. All right? Why did I do that? Because it's y minus y, x minus x. Okay? So now it's going to be, where's the first y? You go left to right. What's the first y? 4. Y is 4 y because I labeled it, remember? See, it's a y. What's the y over here? 3. So let's just go over this. Y minus y. Y minus y. 4 minus 3. And now x minus x. 2 minus 0. Where did I get the x's? Right here and here. Okay? And then let's solve it. 4 minus 3 is 1. 2 minus 0, or 2 minus nothing, well, nothing's going to change then. It's 1/2. And I'm going to go 1/2. And your slope will be rising 1, running 2. It would be rising 1, running 1, 2. And that's what your slope would be. Rising 1, running 2. Okay? So the craziest part of this is making sure you set this up properly. All right? Let's go ahead and do this. Let's put a practice problem down here. And I'm going to go ahead and find the slope, and I'm going to give you 2 coordinates. All right? And find the slope from these 2 points. If you want to pause it and do it on your own, go for it. Remember, you're using this formula. Okay? So now, y minus y, y minus y, x minus x. Sorry, my kids are getting crazy. You might be hearing them in the background. 8 minus 6 is 2. And this is our final answer. But guess what? Can we make it prettier? Can we go ahead and reduce these? Doesn't 2... Can't we divide 2 out of both of this? Doesn't 2 into 4? 2 into 4 2 times. 2 into 2 once. Isn't your answer 2? Okay. And that's all you have to do. All right, work on the exit ticket and do the best you can, guys.